Did you know the man who inspired the marathon had already run something 10 times harder before it? His name was Pheidippides, and in 490 BC, when a massive Persian army landed at Marathon, Athens was terrified. So they sent Pheidippides to Sparta to beg for help. That was roughly 140 miles away. He ran it, delivered the message. The Spartans said no. They were in the middle of a religious festival and couldn't march yet, so he ran 140 miles back. Then he fought in the battle itself. And after the Greeks won, he ran the 26 miles to Athens to deliver the news, spoke his final words, and collapsed dead. That last part became the legend. The race the whole world knows, the distance millions train for every year. But the part history forgot was a man who had already covered nearly 300 miles on foot in days, been turned away, and kept going anyway. We named a race after his smallest run.